And so we have nearly every single process documented in our business inside this intranet using Google Sites. It's available on the mobile. You can embed documents, you can embed forms if you want to do some kind of workflowy type stuff, but this is the place to store all your systems and processes. What is a good, simple software to document simple processes so you can see what you're building and the team can access it? Well, Jamie, you must be new around here because I've been recommending Google Sites to everyone on the channel over many years. And so Google Sites is a wonderful tool that allows you to build an intranet for your company right inside the Google Workspace. Now, it's pretty basic, it's quite rudimentary, but here's what an intranet looks like inside Google Sites. You can see here that on the left-hand side, I've got a menu and we've got all the different areas of the business organized in pages and subpages here. And some of the ones that I like to show off are our newbies guide, which is how we onboard our staff. So in their first week, we've got a whole bunch of tasks that they need to get done, training that they need to watch, tools that they need to get access to. And you can see that that is all linked in one place called Your First Week. From there, we take newbies through things like our values. We share with them, what our company is about, some of the things that we get done together, what's important to us as a team. And of course, here we have our company structure. So the team members have an idea of how our business works. We've got our mission and we've got our customers and lots of different bits and pieces there to get new people up to speed. And then as an example, let's go and look at one of our marketing processes here. We'll go to our brand Bible. This here has information on the kind of fonts and the kind of colors that we use, how we edit our videos, and all of those kind of policies that if we onboard a new video editor, as an example, they'll be able to get up to speed really quickly to get anything that they're producing on brand and on message with what we create inside our business. And so we have nearly every single process documented in our business inside this intranet using Google Sites. It's available on the mobile. You can embed documents, you can embed forms if you want to do some kind of workflowy type stuff, but this is the place to store all your systems and processes. And if you've read a book like The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber, which is a very popular book on systemizing and helping entrepreneurs to exit the day-to-day of their business, you would know that Michael Gerber talks about a standard operating procedures manual. Well, that's all that we've created here. This is a virtual edition of your standard operating procedures manual, and it's a really great resource for your team to make sure that they can learn how you do things inside your business and keep up to date with the latest processes as well. Google Sites also gives you the ability to delegate different levels of permission. So perhaps you only want your managers to edit the site, but then you want to share, read and viewing access to everyone inside the business. Maybe you want to create a dedicated site just for contractors, which doesn't have all of your information across the whole company, but has specifically just a contractor training guide, or you might create a second Google site for that and just share it with your contractors. Now, when we're talking about sharing, how are we going to share it? Well, we're going to use group-based permissions, right? So we want to use group-based permissions for all of our internal sharing inside the business. And we've got a training on that. Check out the channel, check out the video called How to Get Your Google Drive Permissions Right. It's a 30-minute training on group-based permissions and rolling them out across the company, which will then apply to Google Sites as well. How are you going right now systemizing your business? Are you getting your systems documented? Are you getting things delegated? I'd love to know in the comments. Drop me a little chat here, and I'd love to know how your business systemization journey is going. If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.